how to enable photos and tagged in notifications from everyone on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable photos and tagged in notifications from everyone on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find your profile. Here in the bottom corner, click on it and then click this three lines in the top corner, and now click settings and then click this one here, notifications, and then click post stories and comments and scroll down. Here you will find it from everyone. Now just select it, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.